First, I'll show you how to make flower. Okay, make a loop and make a slip knot. Now you will make 7 chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now you will make slip knot into the first chain. Okay, this way you will get one circle. Now I'll show you how to make first petal. You have to make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Next you have to make 1 treble crochet into the circle. Okay. Now you will make 2 chain. 1 and 2. See, after this you will see a V-shaped structure. Okay. After this 2 chain, you will see the V-shaped structure just below this 2 chain. I'll show you here. Okay. Now we have to make a slip knot into this V-shaped structure. Okay. Next, make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. And then slip knot into the circle. Okay. Now you can make one petal. One petal is almost over. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. After this you can pull and make it tight. See, one petal is done. One petal is done. Altogether, we have to make 5 petals. 4 petals are over. I'll show you how to make the 5th petal. Altogether, we have to make 5 petals. So now I'll show you how to make 5th petal. Okay. So now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then just pull this and make it tight. So 4 petals are over. I'll make 5th petal now. See, 3 chains are over, then 1 treble crochet. Okay, 2 chain, 1 and 2. And go to this V-shaped structure just below the chain and make a slip knot. Okay, just make a slip knot. Okay, now 3 chain. 1, 1, 2, 3 and slip knot into the circle. Okay. The 5th petal is over. Now you will make a slip knot. Make a slip knot into this first chain of first petal. Okay. Cut the loose yarn. And make a slip knot, make it tight. Okay. Give shape to all the petals and even the flower. Cut the excess yarn. I'll show you now how to make rubber band. Tie a knot on your rubber band. Okay, fix it. And start making single crochet around the rubber band. One, two, two. You can make single crochet around this rubber band until you cover the rubber band completely. Single crochet and covered the rubber band. Now little gap is remaining. Okay, so I'll cut the yarn loose end, but I'll keep it little longer. I'll keep it little longer. Thread the needle into your yarn and then thread the pearl into your yarn. Okay. Place the pearl on your yarn. Place the pearl on your rubber band and start making single crochet. Be careful, the needle is still there. One more time. And the last time. Make last single crochet. And then make a slip knot into the first single crochet. And done. Just place this pearl. Okay. And then make it fix and then tie a knot with the loose end. Tie a knot with the loose end. Cut the excess yarn. One, two, three. Cut the loose end. Okay. With this needle, just go inside this 2-3 loops. Okay. And then you can cut this yarn. Okay. Your rubber band is ready. Take the flower and insert into the pearl. Your rubber band is ready.